With Independence Day round the corner, let's take this great opportunity to nudge ourselves, to think of the ways we can exercise our independence, especially in our career. Hey everyone, I'm your host Amit Chalka. Welcome to yet another exciting episode of the 10x Career Show, where I talk to you about the proven strategies for grand breakthroughs in your career. In honor of our Independence Day and inspired by the quotes of great freedom fighters, here are 15 easy peasy tips to attain career independence. Number 1. Start with a desire. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Lokmanya Tilak. It was a strong desire of many visionary leaders, just like Lokmanya Tilak, to make India an independent nation. Likewise, make career independence your birthright and develop a strong desire to have it. Number 2. Take baby steps. Independence wasn't achieved in a day. It took consistent small efforts by many patriots. Likewise, you will have to get into the regimen of taking consistent baby steps to achieve the career independence you desire. Set aside some time every day to work towards your career independence. As less as 15 minutes a day, but every single day is good enough. Number 3. Question yourself constantly. The sword of revolution is sharpened in the whetting stone of ideas. Shahid Bhagat Singh. Questions lead to ideas. You already are a storehouse of ideas. So get into the habit of questioning yourself every single day and spend some time reflecting on the answers. Number 4. Get clarity. Freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in chains, is a slave, not a free man. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. It is important to free your mind of the thoughts, and the easiest way of achieving this freedom is to write them down. Writing it down will give you a lot of clarity, and this clarity is the freedom of mind. Another bonus tip here: ditch the strong urge to go digital. Use the traditional pen and paper. Number 5. Begin with the expectations you have from your career. What is it that you are expecting to have from your career? What is your idea of career independence? Think of all that you can and write it down. Number 6. Unearth your career superpowers. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Lal Bahadur Shastri used the slogan to enthuse the soldiers to defend India and simultaneously cheering farmers to do their best to increase the production of food grains and reduce the dependence on import. Everyone must make the best use of their superpowers to save the nation. All, and I mean every single one of us, have some superpowers or the other. Most of the times, they are buried deep inside. Take an initiative to unearth them. Spend some time by reflecting on yourself on what truly you are good at. What are your superpowers? Once you have unearthed them, direct them towards your career independence. Number 7. Take charge of your career in 60 seconds. Yes, I mean it. Taking charge of your career is damn easy. It merely takes 60 seconds. And this is what I say. Here's what you have to do. In 30 seconds, list down the lows in your career. In the next 30 seconds, list down the highs in your career. Focus on improving on the areas that were responsible for your lows and doing more of what gave birth to your highs. Write down a plan to work on the areas of improvement. Number 8. Better yourself every single day. Don't see others better than you. Beat your own records every day because success is a fight between you and yourself. Chandrasekhar Azad. What is that one small thing you can do today to be a better version of yourself? Begin your day with this question. Write down your thoughts. Act on it. Number 9. Love what you do. Inqilab Zindabad. Shahid Bhagat Singh. The slogan became one of the rallying cries of independence struggle and motivated the youth of India to participate in the freedom struggle. It awakened in them the feeling of patriotism and pro-independence statement. Ask yourself, What difference could I make so that other people would love? The answer to this question will help you find meaning and success in what you are currently doing, thus awakening the love for your work. Number 10. Ditch the orthodox ways of spending leisure. Aram haram hai, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. If television, Netflix is your way of spending leisure, then give it up. Just for 10 minutes a day to begin with. Spend time reading or learning something new that will help you advance your career. One new thing, just 10 minutes a day, will take your career to a whole new level. Number 11. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Mahatma Gandhi. To err is human, so make mistakes. Observe others making mistakes and then learn from these mistakes. Think of how you can avoid them in future. Number 12. Learn the tricks of the trade. In attaining our ideals, our means should be as pure as the end. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. To get ahead fast and attain career independence, all you need is a different strategy. Instead of giving up or trying to use the unfair means, it would be wise to learn the strategy that works. Ask those who have already done it. Number 13. Influence those around you at work. अब भी जिसका खून नहीं खौला, खून नहीं वो पानी है, जो देश के काम ना आए, वो बेकार जवानी है. Chandrasekhar Azad used this slogan to light the spirit of fight for the country. To be looked up to, you must be able to influence others. Career independence is all about intentional influence you can exercise on others. What are the small steps you can take to influence those around you at work? Number 14. Create a system for success. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose gave this slogan to motivate people, form an army and fight more actively for the freedom of the country. Let's face it, you can't attain career freedom all by yourself. You will need a set of like-minded people to help you attain it. So build a system of people who could help you in this journey. Connect informally with people around you. Strike a conversation. Be open to talk about your aspirations. Accept the help they might have to offer. Number 15. Do or die. Mahatma Gandhi. If you ever get to a point where things are not working, remember life always offers you two choices. Quit your current job and move on, or fall in love with your job. So make a choice whether to stay put or to move on. In a nutshell, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का तिल में है. Ram Prasad Bismil. If you've decided to march towards your career independence, nothing can come in your way. Wish you a very happy career independence. Jai Hind.